What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I ordered a few new Barbie Fashionistas, and they are slowly starting to arrive. Here is Barbie Fashionista 222, 224, and 225. I have the mini Barbie Land figure for this one. I think this is so cool. All of these dolls are inspired by classic Barbie looks, honoring Barbie's 65th anniversary. Honestly, my knowledge of vintage Barbies is definitely lacking, so I'm having to look up the names for the inspiration. My quick Google search says this is 1980 Golden Dream Barbie. The Barbie Fashionista 222 is a petite Barbie with blonde hair, and it's really soft. It has a little curl to it, but might need some attention out of the box. This doll has a shiny pixelated screening with yellow eyeshadow, blue eyes, and a soft pink lip color. She comes wearing a gold-colored necklace that says Dream. I see what you did there, Golden Dream Barbie, Golden Dream necklace. I think we've seen a similar necklace with a Barbie extra doll. Loving the gold jumpsuit with ribbon straps. It's hemmed at the top. Oh, but it's not hemmed at the bottom. This doll comes with clear, glittery boots. The jumpsuit velcros in the back, and I wonder if it can fit a classic made-to-move Barbie. I think she might be a match for the pink top made-to-move Barbie. Actually, it seems a bit off. The green tie-dye Barbie looks pretty close. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good match. And we can get the jumpsuit on a classic Barbie. However, we might need taller boots. It's a little tight in the back, and I'm concerned that we're pulling the ribbons probably a little too much. But I like the idea of this doll. I love the hair color. I like the makeup choice. I was really excited about this gold jumpsuit, but personally, I wish it was made for a classic Barbie. Inspired by the 1973 Quick Curl Barbie, here is Barbie Fashionista 224. I feel like Barbie Fashionista number 209 was giving us a similar vibe. With the white and black detail at the top, we have the black bow, paired with a pink and white dress. Fashionista 224 has a halter dress, it velcros behind the neck, and has elastic in the back. She comes wearing a pink and white gingham dress, with a ruffle and larger print at the bottom. The bottom of the dress is not hemmed. She wears a black bead bracelet made of plastic and has white pearly shoes. This doll has dark brown hair with a center part. Her face is very sweet. We have soft makeup that is still shiny and pixelated. I think she might be a match for the purple top made-to-move Barbie. Might be able to get away with the tennis player. I went with the made-to-move tennis player just because they're a little easier to find for me. And yeah, I think it works. The purple top might be better, but it's very close, and in person, honestly, I can barely tell. And here she is, dressed in her pink gingham dress. I like the pink and the gold. It's making me think Barbie the movie, but as fashionistas. Barbie Fashionista number 225, I believe, is inspired by Dream Date Barbie. This is a curvy Barbie wearing a pink and purple dress. The top has foil circles, giving the illusion of sequins. There's a pink ruffle on one shoulder with purple stitching. She wears a purple plastic belt with a flower, and a pink satin skirt that is singed at the bottom. She also comes with pink heels that have a chain detail around the ankle and in the back. This doll comes with brown hair. In the pictures, she had a head full of curls, but the doll I received has a little bit of box hair and might need a little attention. It does have a little bit of a wave to it, but yeah. This doll has brown eyes, pink eyeshadow, and a pink lip color. And she's pixelated and shiny. I think she might be a match for the AA soccer player, but I'm gonna try to keep her as a curvy, so let's try the Barbie Looks doll number 12. Not perfect, but okay. I'm gonna give her large, chunky twist because I like twist. And I kept a few strands loose, added a little product to try to get it to curl. Now let's check out a few Barbie fashion packs. I got these for $10.99 on Amazon. We have new packaging, which is like a plastic Ziploc bag. There's a small plastic hanger at the top. On the side, it says, fabric made from recycled plastic, excludes trim. Let's open it up. And it is a plastic Ziploc bag, so I guess it can be reusable. We're still getting small plastic ties going through the clothes. In this fashion pack, we get a top, pants, a dress, a pair of pink boots with a floral print, and a pink bag. The top velcros in the front and has a large bow. I paired it with the included pink pants and pink boots. Here's the fit on a classic Barbie and a curvy. It was a little snug to get on the curvy, but doable. Here's the second look on a classic Barbie. It's a pink dress with a floral print. It has ruffled and ribbon straps. The fabric has texture, and the print goes all the way around. Over the years, we've seen this bag quite a few times. It is open at the top, so we can place small doll items inside. I think this is a cute dress for the spring and summer and fits a classic perfectly. And it's a decent fit on a curvy Barbie as well. The second fashion pack has faux patchwork shorts with hearts and an elastic waistband, a printed denim top with ribbon straps, and a yellow heart necklace. I totally plan on using those shorts for pajamas. And we can pair it with the other included matching shirt. It's made out of a different material, but has similar colors. We can switch out the shorts for this included faux denim skirt with hearts, paired with pink heart sunglasses for a denim look. Well, printed denim look. The blue top and shorts are a little snug on a curvy. I found the other two items easier to get on, but the skirt sits a little high. But it's not too bad with the crop top. And we can turn the shirt around and use it as a jacket. The last outfit gives us more faux denim. We get a printed overall dress with a white shirt. The shirt has pink stitching around the neck and sleeves. However, it's attached. The pattern does go all the way around. Here it is on a classic Barbie and a curvy. The second outfit looks like a two-piece printed denim set in two different colors with the Barbie bee on it. Thick ribbon straps. We also get pink sunglasses and a pink purse that looks like it's made of beads. The shorts are a great fit on a curvy Barbie. The top is a little snug. The back is made of a different fabric with a little more stretch, and it still has the print of the denim. On a classic made-to-move Barbie body, the shorts are a little loose, but the top was an easy fit. So if you're looking for a summer denim collection without all the sewing, mixing and matching Barbie fashion packs might be an option. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at a few new Barbie Fashionistas, put them on made-to-move bodies, and checked out some Barbie fashion packs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.